Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Ikea Latt Set is probably one of the most beloved and practical furniture pieces for young children, offering a perfectly sized space for everything from imaginative play and artistic endeavors to snack time and early learning activities, making it an indispensable item for parents seeking a dedicated and comfortable zone where their little ones can thrive independently and creatively without taking up too much space in the home. Number 5. Delta Children MySize Kids Wood Table and Chair Set. Discover a versatile space designed just for your little ones. This charming set provides an ideal spot for all their favorite activities, encouraging independence. It comes with a sturdy table and 2 comfortable chairs, creating a complete and inviting area. Everything they need to get started is right here. Whether it's for creative arts and crafts, enjoying a snack, or playing games, this set is perfectly sized for them. It supports their imagination and daily routines. Parents can rest easy knowing it's Green Guard Gold certified, ensuring a healthier indoor environment. This commitment to safety means peace of mind for your family. Its elegant Bianca white finish complements any room decor, adding a touch of brightness. This durable wood set is built to last through years of play. What we like. This set is Green Guard Gold certified, ensuring a healthier environment for your little ones. Its clean Bianca white finish brightens any room, perfect for creative play. If you prioritize safety and a pristine look for your child's dedicated activity space, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Humble Crew Kids Wooden Table and 4 Chair Set. Introducing a delightful activity set designed specifically for your little ones. This complete package includes a sturdy table and 4 vibrant chairs, creating an ideal space for endless fun. Crafted from sturdy wood with a natural finish, the table offers lasting durability. Its accompanying chairs are painted in 4 bright, engaging colors, adding a cheerful touch to any room. Perfect for children aged 3 and up, this set provides a comfortable 10-inch seat height. It's an excellent spot for arts, crafts, snack time, and all their creative endeavors. The table measures 26 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 19 inches high, offering ample space. Each chair is 10 by 10 inches with an overall height of 22 inches, perfectly sized for toddlers. Home assembly is required, making setup straightforward. Once assembled, it becomes a durable and versatile activity table, fostering creativity and independent play for your child. What we like. This set stands out by including 4 chairs, making it ideal for playdates or siblings. The natural table with primary colored chairs adds a vibrant touch to any playroom. If you need to accommodate multiple children for arts, crafts, or snack time, this durable option is perfect. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source JSON is empty, so no points can be extracted. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Solid Wood Kids Table and Chair Set. Introduce a special place just for your little one. This durable set provides a perfect zone for all their favorite activities, from creative play to quiet learning. It comes with 1 solid wood table and 2 sturdy chairs, designed with an 11-inch seat height. More chairs can be added, allowing up to 4 children to enjoy it together. Crafted from strong wood, each chair supports up to 100 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. Its smooth, white clean finish makes tidying up a breeze, and assembly is simple. Whether for a playroom, nursery, or Montessori classroom, this furniture fits seamlessly. It helps create a space where important everyday moments can unfold. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been inspiring wholesome, kid-powered play. This set continues their tradition of quality and thoughtful design for children aged 3 and up. What we like. Crafted from premium solid wood, this set offers exceptional durability and a timeless aesthetic. Its robust design supports up to 100 pounds per chair, ensuring longevity for growing kids. If you are looking for high-quality, long-lasting furniture that supports a Montessori-style learning environment, this is your go-to. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. VASAGLE Bar Table and Chair Set. This dining set is incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into any room. It's perfect for intimate meals, a home bar, or even a compact workspace. Designed with compact living in mind, this set occupies minimal floor space. Its chairs tuck neatly under the table, maximizing your room. Crafted from high-quality particle board and a robust steel frame, it offers exceptional durability. Adjustable feet and anti-tip pads ensure superior stability. Both the table and chairs feature integrated footrests. These allow you to relax your legs and feet, blending practicality with ultimate comfort. Assembling this set is a breeze with numbered parts and clear instructions. You'll save time and quickly enjoy your new furniture. What we like. This bar height set offers a chic, modern solution for compact living. Its space-saving design allows the stools to tuck neatly under the table, maximizing your floor area. If you live in a smaller apartment or want a stylish breakfast nook, this versatile option is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 1. Best Choice Products 5-Piece Dining Set, Black. This beautiful set features a sleek metal frame and composite wood, creating a modern and stylish focal point in any room. Its contemporary design effortlessly enhances your existing home decor. Designed to comfortably seat up to 4 people, it's perfectly sized for your kitchen, dinette, or any dining area. Enjoy intimate meals or lively conversations with family and friends. The spacious rectangular tabletop offers ample room for various activities. Use it for family dinners, catching up on work with your laptop, or enjoying board games. Crafted with a durable metal frame and wood surfaces, this set is incredibly easy to maintain. Simply wipe away spills and messes for a consistently clean look. Its clever design allows the chairs to slide neatly under the table when not in use. This feature helps save valuable space and keeps your living area tidy and organized. What we like. Featuring a sleek metal and wood design, this set brings a contemporary touch to any dining space. It comfortably seats up to 4 people, making it practical for small families or gatherings. If you appreciate modern aesthetics and require an easy-to-maintain dining solution, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.